Hi, so welcome to this very interesting section now. This is the most interesting part of this project. Let us see how we will do it. So first of all, I will initiate an empty list. In this list, I will be storing all my information about the models that I have trained. So model underscore results is an empty list. Done. Now define a function. Def. Put any name that you like. Train and evaluate. And we'll pass the parameters and column. Now, the function is defined. So what it has to do? First it has to train the model. So to train the model, what it requires? Model dot fit. And here we have to pass x underscore train, y underscore train. So here see, what we need, model is required. So model has to be given as a parameter to this function. Clear till here? Now, after training, what we were doing? Prediction. So simple, y underscore pred is equals to model dot predict. How it is predicting? Y underscore test and y underscore pred. Done. So training the model is completed, prediction is completed. Now I have to see the accuracy. So what is my accuracy? Accuracy, a new variable is defined, is accuracy underscore score. And simply I have to give my test true value and predicted value. So clear till this point? I think there should not be any doubt till here. Same thing goes for again classification report. So classification, simply I will write it as report. Okay. So report is equals to classification report. Same thing again. Y underscore test, y underscore pred. No chance of getting any doubt up till here. Now I want to similarly I want precision, recall and F1 score also. So how will I get that? Precision, recall and F1 score. Now see how this is done. For this I have to open the report. You have to write like this. Weighted average, and here you have to go for precision. Simply copy and done. Same way for record. Instead of precision, it will be record here. I'm sorry, not record, recall. Precision, recall and F1 score. Same way here also. Here you might get some doubts, but when you will do it multiple times, your brain will start accepting it, okay? F1 score. So clear, these 4 steps are clear. This you might get some doubt, but accept it for now. This is how, means basically what we have done. I have my accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. Now I'll update this data in my model. In my list. So model underscore results dot append. Now what do I want to append? Model. This will be my model name. Next, accuracy. This will be my accuracy. Next, I want precision. This will be my precision. And same way, I want to recall. I have recall. This has to be put in quotes. We are making a dictionary. And same way, I have to do it for F1 score also, but okay, we can do for that also. Comma, F1 score or dash score. This will be this one. So from here, we are updating these features here, okay? I don't think there has to be any confusion here till here. Now see, model name, where will this function get the model name from? This also has to be passed as a parameter to this function, okay? So model, comma, model name. Done. Now, I want, see, this will calculate, it will update the list, but I want to see the list also. Means I want it to print also. These results I want it to be printed also. This function only will do it also. So let us see. So print the results. Print F. So model is my model name. This is directly, it is getting as a parameter of the function, right? Same way, print accuracy. Precision. Just a minute. Precision. Same way it has to be done for recall and this also. I'll just use this, copy it. So precision, recall, and F1 score. This is my recall, and this is my F1 dash score. So I think by now it must be clear. Means this is a very, this function looks like it is very difficult, it is very complex, but it is a very simple function. I have printed the results. What more I can do? I want the confusion matrix also. So let me plot the confusion matrix also. Confusion matrix. Now, how it is done? CM equals to confusion underscore matrix. Y underscore test and Y underscore pred. Done. And now I want this to be displayed as, I'll display it as heat map. Okay. So simple, plt.figure. I think a 3 by 3 figure should be fine for it. plt.figure uh, fig size equals to 3,3. Okay. Now sns.heatmap. So what we are putting in heat map? Confusion matrix. Annotation equals to true. FMT equal to D. And CMap. Let us put it as blues only. Now plt.title. What will be my title? Confusion matrix of model name. And plt.xlabel, plt.ylabel. Xlabel will have my predicted value. Ylabel will have actuals. And finally plt.show. So it's a very simple function, and simple, interesting and very effective function. Okay, so done it. Now let us see. Now let us make a use of it. In this video only I will demonstrate it. Let us work on logistic regression only. So I want train and evaluate. What was my model name? LR underscore model. And what is the name of my model? It is logistic regression. Logistic regression. I am getting some error. Let me check it. Y underscore pred cannot access local variable where it is not accessible with a value. Y underscore pred equal to model dot predict. See, I made a mistake here. No, I'm really sorry. I made a mistake here. Y underscore pred is only x underscore, right? Prediction is done on x underscore test, right? This was absolutely my mistake, a very big mistake. I'm really sorry for that. Okay. What is my next issue? String indicates must be integers, not str. Okay, I seem to have made some mistake here also. Okay, there, see, we will go to our function. There is something that I have missed here. See, when I was giving this report, actually what is happening, classification report is giving the output as string. So here I have to give one more small parameter, output underscore dict. This has to be true. Output underscore dict equals to true. Now this will work. Let me see. See, I made it so carefully and still I am getting so many issues. It happens on like this only. So F1 is not defined. Let me see, why is F1 not defined? From that score F, see, because I have written is it is as written it as F1 underscore score, right? Here it has to be F1 underscore score. That is why I am facing the problem here. Wow, see, it is done. The function is working. I am getting those that error that I was getting at that time. This is a warning. So I have model, logistic regression, accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. So our function is working. It is working successfully. So in the next video, we'll train using this function. We'll train all the other different models. We'll see the final conclusion, and then we'll close this video. So thank you. I do hope that see, just one small things I wanted to do here. Like when we are printing it, when I am doing here, no, I just want to put a slash n. The same thing I'll put it here also before printing the after this. just so that a new line is created, a gap is created between these things. Okay, okay then, thank you.